We have to shout out, guys, the 58 members of Puma 33. Thank you very much, Puma Amore de la Zia. Thank you very much for the 58 members. Shout out, Christy SDC Vlog, Reach Me Amor, Enjoy 125, Lindsay Nauli Mix Vlog, RDY Vlog, Pupot A Music, Chat, Chinchin, Kissing Grey Vlog, Kuya Dani Blasa, Crazy Kids 949, Connie, Twin D Song Red, Puma 33 main channel, Nob, Puma 33 second channel, Mami Marites Vlog, JTV Next Vlog, Master Worm, Ames Biga, Lores Cabanya, Modern Time Express, Dia DeSantis, The Gardener, Arasa Movers Motovlog, Bali o Pinky, Fantastic ASMR, Amazing Char, Talpakix, 26 Japan, Lilibet Florindo Channel, Novia Hap, Druffy, Pana Floriana, Nox and Maya, Peaceful Bridge Official, Love Travel Music, Michelle Cooking, Molia CMS Channel, TSSGMT, Mang Tomas, Mikong again, Ana Maria Mandato, Joe and Journey, Mateo Carlon, Aba in the House, Kamti, Georgina Lumakang, Matit Stop USA, Monday Amore Official, Adija 83, Me and Isa, Madison Joyce, God SFX, Alessandra Mochi, Dia 6B, and Alabama, USA. Thank you, Puma 33, Amore de la Zia. Thank you very much for everything. And those 58 members from yours. And then I have to shout out my 4 members since 2023 until now. Lynn RM, Mystic LM, La Montaña, Chinchin, Ati Chinchin, Nelia Mix Vlog. And then I have to shout out the 5 new members 2025. The 5 new members are Michelle, Aba in the House, Aba Nation Official, and Sempre Kusina Mamita, CDE, Minister, and what else? And Mang Tomas. Thank you very much everyone sa pagpapamember sa aking munting bahay. And thank you very much to Puma 33. Thank you so much, Amore Tesoro de la Zia. God bless you. God bless us all. God bless all my members. And God bless us all. Remain blessed.